अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि हमने आपसे कहा था कि हम अगले वीडियो में द हेयर एंड द टॉर्टोइस की पढ़ाई करेंगे। तो अब आपको मेरे पीछे पढ़ना है द हेयर एंड द टॉर्टोइस। आर यू रेडी? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। लिसन एंड रीड अलाउड। द हेयर एंड द टॉर्टोइस। Once a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. You are so slow. I am so fast. Let us run a race up to the mango tree. Ha ha ha. The race began. The hare ran with long leaps. Hop, hop, hop. The tortoise walked slowly. Plod, plod, plod. The hare came to a carrot patch. Yummy! What lovely red carrots. The tortoise is far behind. I'll eat a few carrots. But he ate a lot of carrots. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Then the hare came to a radish patch. Slurp! What juicy white radishes! I'll eat only a few. But he ate up quite a few. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Then the hare came to another vegetable patch. Fresh, leafy vegetables. So good to eat. So he ate up quite a few. Munch, munch, munch. The hare was now too full. He ran hoppity hop, hoppity hop. He was feeling very sleepy. I'll take a little nap. He slept under a tree. He slept on and on. All this while the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. The tortoise reached the mango tree. The hare woke up. He ran to the mango tree. What did the hare see? Ha ha ha. Slow but steady wins the race.